Can you solve these in numbers within a fraction of seconds? No, it will take a time. If you go on adding, at least it will take 5 minutes if you do it on a faster calculation also. But in the Vedic mathematics, we can solve it in seconds. So how it can be? See, observe it. It should be 10 consecutive numbers. Along with, take that first number. What is your first number? 71. Add this always plus 4 itself. So you will get 75. So write number 75. After that, write 5. Always write 5 after adding the number with 4. So here also what you have the first number? We have the first number 852. 852 plus 4, you will get 856. Write 856 here. Then after that 5. So you can check your answer by using calculator also. You will get the same answer. So here also 4-digit numbers. So here also we can add numbers without doing addition. So what we have, always take the first number and condition should be number should be consecutive, means after that one number and that should consecutive number should be continuous along with the 10 numbers. Then only we can apply this trick, otherwise we cannot apply this trick. See what you have, the first number 9963. For this we'll always add plus 4, so 9967. So along with this we will write 5. So this is our answer, 99675. So if you want such more videos, follow my YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.